Hello crafters, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for some cool budget friendly ideas to decorate your home? Then this video is for you. In this video, I would like to share with you my ideas on how I recreated this expensive wall decor piece with cheap, budget friendly and easily affordable items. If you like my work, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends who might like such ideas, and please do subscribe to my channel. For this project, I have taken 4 30 x 18 cm cardboard pieces, 4 45 x 15 cm cardboard pieces, and 2 60 x 15 cm cardboard pieces. The first step is to glue two 30 x 18 cm pieces together. This is for better stability. Repeat the same with the other two pieces. Also glue 45 x 15 cm pieces together. That is 2 pieces at each time. Step 2 is to cover all the pieces in paper. This is how they look once it is done. Now color all the pieces in black. The next step is to spray paint 30 x 18 cm pieces and 60 x 15 cm pieces in silver. The rest of the 2 pieces I have sprayed in gold. Once they are dry, glue all the pieces together as shown here. That is upside down. That means the largest pieces would be at the front when it hangs on the wall. I added some acrylic stones as decoration to the corners of the wall hanging. That's it. Now hang it on the wall with the help of double-sided tape. This is how it looks at the end. Hope you liked it. My next trial are these beautiful candle holders. To make them, I have taken these old Christmas ornaments. Or you can also use some old toys, some old plastic balls which you might already have at your home. For the base, I have taken this old tape holder, some straws, and an old chips can lid. Step 1 is to glue all the Christmas ornaments together with hot glue at medium temperature. For the bottom piece, I made this small holder with straw. For better hold, I have added these small cardboard pieces to the ornaments. This is how it looks once it is done. At the top, I used an old chips can lid. Next up is to spray paint the result in gold. To cover up the glue molds, I have added some acrylic stone strings as decoration. For making the base, cut out 2 cardboard pieces, glue on one side, and then I added these glass stones to add some weight to the bottom. Now glue the other side and cover it up with some old papers. Then I gave black color as base coat, and on top of it added a layer of stone effect paint. This is how it looks once it is done. It's now time to glue both the pieces together. And here is the end result. So dear friends, hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments below which one did you like. Please like and share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.